Hello, I'm Stefano Puri from INTECS, and this session is about the traceability support in the AMASS platform by using the Capra feature. In particular, for this session, I will focus on the traceability between system architecture and assurance case model. Here I have two models already available. This is the chess model. This is a model about the wheel braking system, where, for instance, we have requirements about brake delay. Then we have a model of the system design with the components. For each component, we have a contract associated. For instance, this contract here is the formalization of the requirement we have seen before, so the brake delay requirement. And and then we have the architecture is decomposed as some decomposition. So we have sub-blocks, we have component for sub-blocks, and contract refinement and so on. But I think it's okay for this session. What I have already said about the model. And so starting from this component contract-based design approach, a proper assurance case can be built, reasoning upon the fact that we have this contract-based approach. So, for instance, here I have an assurance case for related to the brake delay requirement. I have a claim saying that the requirement is satisfied with the sufficient confidence, and the subclaim for this saying that the requirement is correctly formalized by the system break time contract. And then I have also other subclaims. But let me focus just on this. So here we can see that we have links between the two models. So here I am referring to the system break time contract, which is defined in the chess model. What is missing here is the formalization of this link. So, and what we can do by using the traceability support in AMASS is the creation of this traceability link between the two models. So in this case, I'm going to link this contract represented here in chess with this claim available in the assurance case. To create the trace, I can use this view, the create trace link. Let me just clean it. Okay, I can use the create trace links, and I can populate it selecting the entity that I want to trace, in this case, so the contract, and selecting the Capra entry here. And in this case, I add the contract as a trace, as a source of the trace. Then I can choose the target of the trace. So the same way, I select the claim, select the Capra item here, and add to the trace target. So now I have a source and a target. So the tool, based upon the kind of the entities here, propose me a kind of trace, in this case a contract claim trace. It's good for the example. And then I can click here to create physically the link. So trace has been created. The trace created in a local model, which you can see here in the workspace trace models. That is it's a project that owns the traces that are created, and this model is automatically managed by the traceability tool. Another view which is useful when working with traces is this one, the traceability view. Traceability view allow to see for a given selected entity the traced one. So for instance here, if I click the goal here, I can see that this goal is related to a system break time contract, which is defining these resource, and it is linked to a contract claim trace link. At the same time, I can course use these views for instance for the entities available in the system architecture. So if I select here the contract, I can check the entities related to the contract, and the same as before, I can see that the contract is related to an entity of the assurance case. So this requiring break delay formalization claim, and this view is particularly useful in order to understand, for instance, the role played by a given architectural entity in the context of an assurance case. So if and also, for instance, to evaluate possible impact on the assurance case, and in case the architectural entity has to be changed in some way, and so on. So this is a view is particularly useful for this, and this view also comes with some facilities, so I can navigate the traced entities. So for instance, here I can double click the related claim to automatically open the diagram where the claim is defined. And I can also delete a link by using this icon here, and so I can remove links. So this is basically all for this demo. So thank you very much for your attention. Bye.